Now that number of files is something that we as front-end developers can usually do something about. We can merge all of these JavaScript files into one file, and we can merge all of the CSS files into one file as well. This is called concatenation, and it's the first thing that we'll do to optimize the performance of our site. Now, like I said before, the next biggest thing is the size of the file. So this blue bar here gives us an indicator of which files are the biggest, although we can also arrange it by size here. So if we arrange it by size in reverse order, you can see that jQuery is the biggest. It has the biggest blue bar. Selectize is the next biggest, and then it drops down from there. Now it looks like Font Awesome here downloads really fast, and that's probably because when we look at the timeline, by response time, you can see that it doesn't try to download that until the bulk of everything else is downloaded. So it's not competing with a huge number of files for that bandwidth space. So it downloads much faster. As a front-end developer, we also can have some impact on the file size. And the way we do that is through something called minification. So ideally, for most of these, we can drop down this blue bar by quite a bit through the process of minification. For certain files, there's not a lot we can do, like our font files. Those aren't something that can be minified, and as we go through the process of minifying something, you'll see why.